Hey, I have a 2007 Honda Civic Hybrid, and most videos about replacing the fuel pump, they tell you it's very simple, and '06 to 11 Civic Hybrid is the same process, and I'm going to tell you it's not. I have an '07, and the fuel pump is supposed to be, well, it is behind the back seat in the trunk. And every video makes it look so easy, and maybe it's because it's a hybrid and I didn't pay close enough attention, but I got the back seats off, and guess what? And it took me a minute to get the back seats off, but see all that? That's hybrid battery stuff. And I don't know if, I can unhook the electric, and please don't replace the battery without looking at a tutorial. And there's a sticker on there to tell you that you will die. You'll get badly hurt and die. So you want to disconnect everything. But even I just watched a video on how to replace the hybrid battery, and still there's nothing about getting that bottom bracket off. You can see the fuel pump. Let me see if I can zoom in. I can't. You can see the fuel pump right there in the bottom middle, right where the seat should go, right, and the battery stuff is sitting right on top. So I got a really good price on a fuel pump, and I think I'm screwed. I have the part, and I don't think I'm gonna be able to put it in. So anybody has any tips for me that maybe can help anybody else with a '07 Honda Civic Hybrid who needs to replace their fuel pump, that would be much appreciated. Thanks.